good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and most of all, I'd like it to be good night. When you cock up in your bed and you watch Debbie Down a yard. I know you have already seen the title, and it has been long coming. I owe you some answers. Debbie, what to the 5-star backyard? Oh, you just drops up, brag it up. Yes, the 5-star backyard. It is alive, it is well. It is just that we have made some drastic change of plans. We will be going more in depth, more elaborate with it, and all of that. We are working on some stuff. We would have been farther than where we are now, but because of what is happening all over the world, it is sort of taking a toll on what we are doing. So I realized that I've got to come. I wanted it was just to be a surprise, was to just get things in order and just to ray on you. But because of what is happening, things are a little bit like a set, not really a setback, a little bit on hold. So yes, the 5-star backyard is okay. Everything is booming. Everything is gonna be good. We are just putting some additional measures in place to suit you better. When I started this channel and I came about with this little, I don't even remember we came about, like probably jokingly, with the 5-star backyard. People embrace it. People want to get a feel. You're there where you are. Some people, they're not Jamaicans. They're asking me, Debbie, when I come to Jamaica, can I come to see you? And I've got hundreds of those requests. I want to come. I want to know where you are. I want to spend a day with you. I want to eat some of your food. I want to chill with you. I want to vibes with you. I want to par with you. Some people want to say, what is parring? I want to par with you. So when you come, you'll get a par with me as a party. So, as I said before, we're working on things. I'll bring you in at some point, but at this point, I can't bring you in as yet. You know, we have got to go a little further on it. And so, and as with everything that we do, it takes cash to care and all of that. So things are a little slow now. So we have got to wait and to hold up a bit. I want to thank you for your love. I want to thank you for your support on this channel. Okay? And if you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed to the Jamaican Debbie Strain, what are you waiting for? This channel is gonna explode right in front of your face. You're gonna wonder where has this channel been all along? How it just come explode? So it's gonna be exploding. But as I tell you, good things come to those who wait. I know the wait is a little lengthy and all of that, and as I said before, I do owe you explanations, but I was waiting on the right time to come and to say, because I told you this channel is about everything about my journey. Most of it is going to be everything about my journey on this life, this train that I'm riding on of my life. You know, we're going to have some sisterly time. There are a few brothers here too, I know. We're gonna meet up very soon. So this is just what I have to say about it, and I hope that you will keep your patience with me and that everything will be, I know everything will be okay. I can't say when. We have got to wait until things, you know, just try and get back to normal, and then we can roll as we have to roll and all of that and everything. So don't be deterred. Don't think so, she just dropped down, she just, no, we are working behind the scenes. We are working relentlessly, but we have got a little bit slowed up. Okay, so thank you for your support. Thank you for your love right across the 4 channels that we have here on the tube. Thank you for, you know, just whatever we put out, you try to be there for us, you know. Thanks as always for the love, and wherever you are this morning, I hope that you're staying sanitized, you're sterilizing, washing your hands as often as possible, keeping the fam bam safe, keeping the fam bam in good health, staying prayed up, staying blessed, staying knowing that you are God's, you know, God pick me, and in now make, you know, so nothing happen to it too tough. So just be strong, you all. Some of you know yourselves, me I don't have such a different relationship, such a perfect relationship, and we don't even know each other, and the relationship is as perfect as can be. I want to send a shout out to Laverne Campbell at this point. Laverne, when you get to watch a video, big up yourself. She's on the front line. She has to be working. She's a healthcare worker, so she have to go and work, you know. So Laverne, stay safe. Our prayers are with you. You all send up some prayers for for Laverne Campbell. She's no stranger here on the Jamaican Debbie strain. So thanks once more for your love. This is what this video was all about, to show some respect, to let you know that I'm not really just disrespect on the like that. Just, you know, just my mother would have said, just blow up on the hopes and just drop it down. So you're gonna have some happy times on the Jamaican Debbie strains. Thanks for the love once more. Thanks for the support. And it doesn't matter what we do right on over here. Never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things.